Guinep for man, if anywhere you see Guinep, don't pass a bunch. If it even 2 seed, try and get this one. Does
it's a special kind.
Special kind of Guinep, it's a solid.
Yeah. Thomas family, how you do? Oh, fantastic. I'm back on the countryside and today we're gonna explore another of Jamaica's tropical delight, the Guinep. I'm joined by Dian, a friend of mine, who is a seasoned fruit enthusiast. Actually is a fruit vendor here in Montego Bay. We're gonna explore everything about the Guinep, how it's harvested, the health benefits, and of course we're gonna do some taste tests. We're gonna savor the tasty, juicy, delicious, sweet, tangy flavor of Jamaican Guineps. Stay to the end though, because I have a little excitement to share with you. You know, I always have a bit of intrigue. We're gonna share with you some interesting facts, interesting stuff about Guineps. Special shout out to you, my ardent subscribers. For those of you who continue to like, share, and comment on my videos, I say thank you. If you are brand new here though, meaning you're here for the first time, I invite you to join us. I do a lot of these kind of stuff, sharing what I call the real Jamaica, the people of Jamaica, the culture of Jamaica, fruits in Jamaica, herbs of Jamaica, unusual fruits of Jamaica, all of this stuff, and I don't want to miss any of that. So hit that subscribe button, tap the bell notification, and that way you stay updated on all my latest videos. Let's go to Guinep. Well, this is it guys, a giant Guinep tree here. Of course, a feature of Guinep is that when it's in season, you see a lot of young men climbing. This is a tree here. These are the limbs here, and of course this is the Guinep here. But this is Dian with her friends. Dian, say hi to the world.
Hello.
Dian is a seasoned fruit vendor. I mentioned to you guys. You can see her face is familiar to a lot of people in downtown Mobay. She sells stuff like these.
Westgate.
Yes, at Westgate. Juicy, refreshing, delectable Jamaican Guinep. All right, so Dian, I want to quiz you. So we're going to talk about Guineps, and guys, look, them look good, not true? In fact, you know, before we even talk, I'm going to ask Dian to burst one of them. Let me show off the Guinep. Burst one of them.
All right.
Burst one of them.
You can just crack it. Open.
And this
Very
is
nice.
Lovely. Yeah. This is how we eat it, right?
Yeah.
I want to share with us. What do you remember about having Guinep in the countryside? Or did you go in the country though? You're a town girl.
Yeah, man, I'm a country lady.
Okay. tell me if your memories of Guinep.
Well, Guinep always enough in my area. And children always love Guinep.
Which area? Which area?
In Chilani. B-side.
B-side.
Yeah. So as children, we just go on anybody Guinep tree and just pick some Guinep.
Anybody?
Yes. And as long as the Guinep sweet, especially when it look like this, it's very nice.
When you say look like this, look like what?
Just yellow and so you know it's sweet.
Yes, okay.
Yes. So you just pop it open. Pop it open like this.
And you dig into it.
And you just
that look good. That look good. You sell Guinep too,
crack
right?
the seed, man.
People come and it's one of the fruit. Would you say it's one of the fruit that people ask you for? I mean,
yes, this Guinep especially.
This one
is one of the Guinep where people just gravitate to.
What do you mean this one?
Them love it more than any other Guinep I sell.
So hold on now. So you have different type of Guinep? What that means?
Yeah, you have some sour. Yes, some sour, some run water. When you bust it, beer water come out of it.
But this one
does
is a special kind.
Special kind of Guinep. It's just solid. People just love it. Them know me I Westgate with it, man. So them
all right, it's a lovely
love
one.
it.
And did you know, Diana? Did you know that the Guinep actually has more vitamin C than, you know, they talk about vitamin C in orange, right?
Yes.
Did you know that Guinep have more vitamin C than orange?
Yeah, especially when you crack the seed.
The seed?
Yes.
Well, I learned today that I actually learned while I was doing research for this that Guinep guys have more vitamin C than orange. Before I mention that, I want to big up some people. These people here, look at them beautiful face. I feel them Guinep tree. Come on, big up for themselves. And so it's their Guinep tree, so we big them up. But here, Guinep have more vitamin C than orange. But not just that. Certainly from a Jamaican perspective, Guinep is right up there with the best and most nutritious fruits. For example, guys, you don't believe me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fruits. Kiwi, Guinep, strawberry, papaya, orange, and mango. right? We don't have a lot of kiwi here. I don't know if us having a lot of kiwi here, right? We don't have kiwi.
No.
We have Guinep, we have some strawberry, we have papaya, we have orange, and we have mango, right? Of what we have, Guinep certainly is in the top tier. Guinep have 60 to 70, strawberry 59 milligram, papaya 60, orange 53, and mangoes 36. So Guinep is right up there in terms of nutrition, right up there. And Guinep has significant health benefits. What you know about that? Can you say you know about some of them? Let me see. Let's see. I'm going to share some of the scientific ones with you, but tell me what you know about what Guinep do. What can the Guinep do to you, or what you know about Guinep?
Well, Guinep for man, if anywhere you see Guinep, don't pass a bunch. If it even 2 seed, try and get it, because Guinep build up man's sperm count, which no man don't know that. Just get a bunch of Guinep anywhere you see. Good for your sperm count, especially for man.
All right, that's the traditional knowledge.
Yes.
Well, here is too. Guinep, guys, boost immunity. Guineps are rich. We mentioned Guineps are rich in vitamin C, which is crucial for strengthening the immune system and protecting against infection. The dietary fiber in Guineps aids in digestion and prevent constipation, promoting overall gut health. Guinep is rich in antioxidants that help to protect the body from oxidative stress and free radical damage, potentially reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Vitamin C in Guinep helps support collagen production, which is essential for maintaining healthy, youthful skin and reducing signs of aging. You know that? You learned that? More Guinep keep you younger, huh?
Yeah.
Boost energy. Guineps, guys, have natural sugars and carbohydrates, which provide a quick and sustained energy boost, making them a great snack for an energy lift. Alright, so Guinep is not just a delicious fruit. Guinep is also a valuable addition to your health, to a healthy diet. That's Guinep for you. Meanwhile, guys, the young men are in the tree having them Guinep. Having them Guinep. They live here? They live here?
Yes, so that's their Guinep.
They eat it right through the day, man. Guinep, guys, here abundant here in Jamaica. A couple questions I want to answer. People have some questions I want to just answer them on while we're here. Question 1: does Guinep lower blood pressure? There actually was a study we found that was done on rats, and a lot of studies they do on humans. They start with rats. You know, rats. They use rats and pigs a lot. Because they say they share. through our fall, we share some stuff with them. So they usually start with rats and pigs when they're doing study, before they come to humans and study. And they found that, among other things, Guinep reduced blood pressure in rats through its effect on cardio output and heart rate. Does Guinep lower blood sugar? Well, Guinep contains special proteins and amino acids that are known to help lower blood sugar levels. What does Guinep do to your body? Number 3. Guineps contain an amino acid called tryptophan, which is known to induce sleep. Tryptophan achieves its effects by way of serotonin, which is the key brain chemical involved in regulating mood. Among other functions, serotonin promotes feeling of calm, relaxation, and sleepiness, according to Psychology Today. Number 4, does Guinep have vitamin C? We know that already. We said yes. Guinep contains many nutrients and possesses various health benefits. The fruit is a source of fiber, vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and the amino acid tryptophan, which we spoke about earlier. Number 5, does Guinep go in the fridge? Let me ask Dian this one. Do you know about, can Guinep go in the fridge?
Yes, man.
Absolutely, yes. Guinep should be stored in the refrigerator for up to a week. Yeah, for up to a week, and it's still pretty safe.
Still same way.
Fresh, yes.
Yeah, fresh same way.
Oh, actually, I said finally, but there's one more. Is Guinep and lychee the same? No.
It's the same family, but they are different.
Yes, same family.
Yes.
Guinep is a smaller, sweet, as we said, which is very, very popular here. It's similar to lychee. In fact, Jamaicans call lychee Chinese Guinep. So,
Yeah.
and the fruit is of a similar size, grows in bunches, and has a similar textured skin. The skin of the Guinep, however, is lime green in color. And speaking of lime green, they also call it Spanish lime, then, Guinep they call Spanish lime across the world.
Spanish lime across, yeah.
Yeah, in the world they call Spanish lime. I want to hear from you guys. I want to hear from you. What's going on over there? I want to hear from you. Tell me what jumped out so far. What have you learned so far about Guinep? Did you know that Guinep was so nutritious? Look at this, and this is lovely. Look at this bunch. I wonder if they have different varieties. I want to hear from you. Put something in the comments, because Dian mentioned earlier that there's some of them that seem to have more liquid inside of it. There's some which is a little more foody, and this one is one of them that is foody and beautiful. Look at this. Look at this. And guys, just before we share the intrigue, just to share the little secret with you about Guineps, I learned, and I want to take the opportunity to big up Navlet, because my Navlet actually okay, so let me back up a little bit. Guinep can make a drink. Yes, nice, delicious, tropical drink as well. And I want to big up Navlet. The first time I had it was way back, and I was a little boy in the country. Navlet is a food, a juice enthusiast. She take everything, use very creative when it comes to food and stuff like that. So she made a drink. That Guinep, by the way, was very sour, but I remember it well. So how do you make a drink with Guinep? So basically, this is what you do, right? This is my free information sharing now. You're gonna break the Guinep like this, right? You take it out, and I guess you would use as much as you want to, or as much as you can, or you're able to use, and you put them in a pot of boiling water. So boil the water first, and then you turn off the stove, put the Guinep in there like this, leave it until it's cool, and then so similar to sorrel. And then what you do is basically rub the meat, I'm gonna say, off the seed, and then you spice it with your ginger or whatever you have. Use, strain it, and sweeten it for those who want it to be sweetened. Although in most cases you probably don't need much sweetener. And have your ginger and so on, and you put it in your fridge and cool it. And that's it. That's how you make authentic Jamaican Guinep juice. I almost said ginger juice. Guinep juice. Alright? So now you know. Just before the big reveal, guys, the secret about Guinep, I want to segue into, I want to talk to the owner, the lady here. Well, owner and daughter. They're here with Dian. And I want to just ask her. So you've been living here, with this Guinep tree here for forever, right?
About 20 odd years.
20 odd years. So you grew up with the Guinep tree?
Yeah, we grew up with it.
Okay. You would have heard me talking about the health benefits of Guinep and stuff. Was that new to you? Did anything jump out at you?
Well, I never know that the Guinep good for man.
That one stood out.
And the juice as well, I didn't know about the juice.
Okay, even though you have it for 20 odd years.
Yes.
I have a very nice Guinep tree here, you know.
Yes, most people, yeah. Diana always be my main customer to come and buy it.
Yes.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes.
So now you know about how nutritious and how healthy Guinep is. What does that mean to you right now? It's certainly don't want no more hurricane come to blow it
No,
up.
the hurricane mashed it up because it was bare this year for the first time the most, and too because the hurricane most of it destroyed, so it's a lot of it.
Yeah, but we give thanks. But them sweet like sugar, man. Big up Shanali, you said?
Yeah, Shamali.
Big up Shamali and big up Miss Marcia, mommy. Very accommodating guys. We get to enjoy them Guinep here along with them. And the big reveal, guys. Did you know that Guinep has been used in traditional Jamaican medicine for centuries. I was gonna say decades, but it's centuries because it has been used since our foreparents came here centuries ago. Did you know that? And not just the seed, not just the fruit or the flesh we're talking about. We're talking about now the leaves and bark. That's new again. The leaves and bark of the Guinep tree are believed to have natural anti-inflammatory and fever-reducing properties. So, not only does Guinep taste great, but the entire tree has been valued for its health benefits. Big up the Guinep. So I want to big up Dian one more. Give Dian a thumbs up right now for me as she prepare our fruits for the market. Neat and pretty. Dian, if anybody is interested in reaching out to you, and as I say, you're in the market, you're in not the market, you're at Westgate, in Montego Bay.
Yes.
But if they want to reach you, whether for, I don't know, for function, for displays, or whether buy some Guinep or buy any other fruit, because you have many other fruits, local and exotic fruits that you have here on sale in Jamaica. How they can reach you? Is there a number they can reach you at?
Yes. My number is 571-2953. 876-571-2953.
Fantastic. And that also, guys, is in the description below. Reach out to them and get some juicy. She call them she said the best ones these.
Best Guinep these.
The best Guinep these ever. The Guinep guys with Dian. So much information. What jumped out at you? What stood out? I'm interested. I want to hear from you. But listen, you need to share this video. And you need to hit that share button right now and send it to somebody. So much good information. There's another video I think you'll love to see, and that's a mountain top with a Rasta man. There's a link in the description and it's in the card above. See you in that one.